Hey, welcome back to Dickie's Beer Review. Today I'm going to be trying this Belching Beaver brewery. It's called Miso Honey. It's a blonde ale brewed with honey. It's 5.5% alcohol. It's Belching Beaver Brewery, Vista or Oceanside, California. So let's check it out. It doesn't really have a sweet smell to it or a honey smell to it. To me it just smells like beer. But this is a big bottle. It's not a regular sized bottle. It's in a pint bottle. It's got a decent smell to it. Lighter color. Yeah, I expected it to be a sweet tasting. It's not. It's a pretty hoppy taste, but it's got a nice aftertaste. It's pretty smooth. Yeah, that initial taste is very hoppy, grassy taste to it, but then after that it's fine. Yeah, the aftertaste is fine. There's no hoppy taste to it after that. It just says the ingredients: water, malt, wheat, honey, yeast, and hops. That's it. So yeah, Belching Beaver Brewery, Miso Honey. My buddy Mike at work got this for me, so thanks, Mike. It's not bad. So I don't know. It's not bad. It's something different. Never seen this before. So yeah, that's it. So. Thanks for watching. I'm going to give a shout out to all my veteran friends out there. Keep doing what you're doing. Thanks to those who are still serving. Yeah, my buddy Cooter just got back from a deployment. He had some videos of him reuniting with his kids and they were awesome. It was just so cool to see him, and he's doing great. So shout out to Cooter too. But anyway, thanks for watching. Like my videos on YouTube. Subscribe if you have a YouTube channel. Share them on Facebook or wherever you want to. And thanks again. Cheers.